bother you for a couple of napkins? Hold on, get a little tangle. Hold up a second. There we go. Sorry. I got the free. Hey, it's stuck. Hey, oh, gracias. Jeez. Thank you. How you doing, sir? Can I just bother you for a napkin?
Oh, no.
I got a little twinkle up here.
No, don't do that to
Wait,
us.
hold on.
You want me to help you?
Can you reach?
Yeah.
I don't know how it happened. There's a clip right there. You got
No,
It's
stop.
getting tighter.
Come on.
I'll get it. Just Jimmy. I'll get it out in a minute. I'll go park and get us loose. It just keeps getting tighter and trying to pop it off. Thank you for the napkins, guys. Okay, they'll help me out? Okay. Thank you, guys.